Hi, this is Mike and Randy. We're here with our new VS3 from ADJ. We got our ground stack support system. We're going to go ahead and put this thing together, make sure all of our panels are working all right. So, making a video with a microphone on is uncomfortable. Let's go ahead and take a look at one of our panels. So these are our VS3 panels. They come factory sealed. They are all tested in California. We're going to go ahead and open one up. There you go. Looks pretty clean. And speed up this video, we've already opened up the rest of our panels, but that's what they look like.
Cut that part out because
You just pull them out?
from here.
No, all right.
We can slide it over there now, probably.
So you notice that right here they have a little pad, so you can put it on the ground if you want. But if you want the pad out of your way, you simply go ahead and click it right out of the way for you. So these metal brackets are ADJ's new ground support, where we can go ahead and stack our panels. And just in a minute here, Randy's going to show us how to do that. Here you go. Grab this, Randy. Can you do it while I hold it?
Can you see it from back there?
Unless we go right against the wall.
Yeah, these nice little grooves right in there.
There you go. Put the panel in the grooves. And as you can see, they just pop right up, lock into place.
Show back of this.
So we have a couple other parts that connect right to the other panels. So we have a locking system right here. Fast and easy. And Randy's going to go ahead and lock the two mounting points on the sides. You want to help me move this over just a little bit? All right, just leave it. So some of you guys in the industry may have done this before. We're working in a garage at about 90 degrees, so we're having fun. All right, fast and easy. I think we got the first rows together in under 5 minutes, so that's pretty good. There are, as you can see, 4 different mounting points on each panel, so we're going to go ahead and put the tops on. And you may have noticed they actually magnet together for you. And the way these bottom supports pop up there, it's really that easy. Yeah. Get those 2, Randy. 2 on the sides. There you go. We've got our 8 panels together on a ground stack there in about 5 minutes or less. If you want, you can spend some time micro adjusting everything to make sure that your pixels line up, but right out of the box, it's looking pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and plug in just one panel and do a video test on one of them. So in between gigs, if you have the time, it's always good to pull out your panels, and you can check them one at a time by running power to them and just turning them on to see if all the pixels are working. There you go. Red, green, blue. Looks like everything's live, and white for an RGB mix. There you go. Looks like this panel's working. So next, we're going to go ahead and we're going to run all the power, and we're going to go ahead and daisy chain all the data, and we're going to plug this thing in.
You want to throw behind you with some data?
So right here we have our Cat5 data cords, and we do have a long home run cord for where we're going to use our controller. All right, power's all ran, and we're already halfway done with our data. All right, so next out of the box is our Novastar processor. All right, we got our Novastar VX4S processor plugged in. We have our VS3 panels plugged in, and we have all the data ran. So we're well on our way to turning on some video for you. We're back with our Novastar VX4S, and we're taking a look at how we're using this processor with our ADJ VS3 video panel. So what you'll notice on the front here is that you can control all your settings right on the front display on the Novastar. For what we're doing today, we simply ran HDMI through our Mac computer and use it as a second screen. So if we hit the button right here in the front under menu, it'll load up our different menu options. We can scroll on down to screen settings, And then we had to adjust our cabinet row, which we did 2. And we had to do our cabinet columns, which we did 4 going across, for a total of 8 different panels. And then the next option, after we make sure we have the right amount of panels, is we go on down to the data flow. If we hit the menu button again and press it in, it'll open up the data flow. So when you are running the back of your panel, this is where it determines what your data flow is. So that's the configuration that we came up with. So we're going to go ahead and select that. And to back out of all of the menus, it's real fast and easy. We just hit the escape button, which is in the menu box on the front here. So we're going to escape out twice, 3 times, and we're at our front panel. The other thing that we did is we did hit the scale button to make sure that it all self-scales. And we are using HDMI, which you'll see lit up. So we simply have an HDMI cable coming out of here and going into our Mac. And that's how we're running our content in our panels next to me. We're back. As you can see, we have our VS3 video panels by ADJ. We have it ran into our Apple computer just using the HDMI port. And that way we're able to use it as a second screen. That's one way to run your content. It's being run by the VX4S, which is a Novastar processor. Let's go ahead and play some of this VS3 content. All right, so as you noticed, it was super fast and easy to set up the panels. The panels are absolutely amazing. And once you get your data and your signal flow done, you go ahead and put it into your VX4S. You tell that what the path of signal flow is, and it should be up and running in about 5 to 10 minutes with a ground stack. So thanks for watching. Come on in here, Randy. Mike and Randy, we'll see you later. Bye.